important. It's the best blessing. It's the best gift because most of our children are abandoned and neglected. And therefore, the most needed for them to show that we are here to love them regardless. And that's why we keep on saying na time is to the best that you can do it. We really appreciate kasi alam ko, Sunday po ngayon, di ba? Sa family day, tama po. Pero we are so thankful kasi binigyan nyo rin sila ng panahon para mag-isika and ma-sharean ng mga blessings. Kaya mga anak, kailangan natin laging magpasalamat kay Lord kasi marami mga ginagamit si Lord para i-bless yung tayo. Okay? Pero para mas ma-bless din tayo, kailangan din natin pagpatuloy. Pag-pray din yung mga tao na lagi tumutuloy. Para sa pagdating ng panahon, sana hindi lang tayo ang kanilang pwede tulungan. Tama po ba ako? Okay, sige. So, yun po, in behalf po, meron po akong simple yung ihadalin na Certificate of Appreciation. So, ito po yung kailangan pong content. The Certificate of Appreciation should be Kapitingan Lodge number 12, Independent Order of God Fellows. The full recognition of your unwavering support, steadfast dedication, and contribution of quarter of Kuya Center for the Great Children Week. Through your commendable efforts undertaking advocacy projects, conducting reach-out activities, and making generous donations. Your contribution and engagement have been invaluable in achieving your organizational objectives and ensuring the welfare of the vulnerable children. Given this latest day of August 2020,